Great. Three, two, one, go.
So now we are going to the sequence where Tom returns back to his home, and he initially expects his mom to come running, shedding tears, hug him, feed him sweets, and cry for a long time because he's back after a few days in Bihar. But what happens is exactly the opposite. His mother insults him and criticizes him. So let's see how Tom's internal feelings react. 3, 2, 1, go. Sir, pass one hand.
Pass. Where the version is not. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, listen. இல்லப்பா வேண்டாம் அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணு.
சார் நரேஷ் இன்னொரு क्वेश्चन
கண்டினியூ பண்ணா.
okay sir. அதிலே கண்டினியூ. You were right. You told that my mom will insult me and she did. I thought that she'll shed tears, she'll feed me sweets, but she's insulting me. When you are I'm borrowing money from my dad, huh? Say, what do you want to say?
No, Tom, your mother expected that you want to...
mother, we are also Tom, come.
Our mother accepted that you want to hug them and cry, but you didn't, and you are still like a statue.
What can we do if they don't give us the opening to do all these things? Huh? We just got here and they are not even respecting us. What do you think, Tom? Me.
Yeah,
Whatever, what do you think? Huh?
Yeah, she didn't even prepare. I asked her to prepare kaju katli, but she didn't do anything.
First of all, they only give the money to travel this tour.
And she always keeps telling that I borrow money from my dad. He has to give me money, right? He's my dad. Then what is he?
Yeah, what else is he there for? Always eating, drinking.
Now you are 23
What,
years
all
old.
those
You have now
different
a job.
cool drinks
You
and all.
have to a job.
Hey, you are also Tom, Why are you separating yourself? Yeah, come on.
No. At this age, many of them will have some jobs. So here we don't have any jobs, so we just borrowed it. That's why our mom is saying that we need to have some job. So we try to check some jobs in newspapers.
Newspapers? Who will give me job now?
You have studied and you can try the jobs.
We have studied.
So yesterday you finished up with 5 minutes and 50 seconds. So now 2 minutes elapsed. So 7 minutes 50 seconds elapsed.
Okay. Yeah. So do you have something to say? What can I do now?
We can able to
What can we do now? We need to find a job.
How will I find a job? Who will give me a job?
We'll go somewhere, we'll search for you get some agent and do things.
Okay. Okay, I will try. Let me pick up a newspaper and see stuff. Oh, come on. It won't work out. Welcome to Singapore, it seems. Who cares?
Dad,
Hey, wait. Singapore, no? Why can't we go?
Who will give money?
Your
How much
dad has no, we'll ask some of our friends. What?
Bro, who will give me job over there?
You read the newspaper, what is there you first read?
Some
For
interview
going there, we
seems.
should be investing some money. Then only we can get a job.
Investors spend some money.
I suck at interviews, you know that, right?
No, we suck at it, okay?
Yeah,
We
that's
all
what.
know
Okay,
that.
we all. Sorry. So what can we do now? Shall we give it a shot?
Of course we need to do, otherwise our mom will kick us out of the house.
Correct. Yeah. I'll repay that 17,500 to my dad. Wait, I'll just throw it to him.
We need that for the flight
You
ticket.
know.
Keep quiet, man. I've always been listening to you. Please. Nagla, now you are doing the next scene, right? Narration? Flight sequence.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So now we are going to move on, jump forward to the next sequence, which is the travel of Tom from India to Singapore, where he is going to go job hunting. And as we know, in that flight, he encounters some weird things, people being disrespected. He goes and tries to help them, but ends up getting disrespected, even we could say. Now let us see how Tom's emotions react when they feel helpless, when they are not able to do anything to help themselves or other people. So 3, 2, 1, let's start.
Oh, the guy broke my nose. What can I do now? I want to help those old people, but
You help those old people, he'll break your face next. Okay.
Did I ask you to come and poke your nose? You poked your nose and that's why I broke that nose. You understand?
sorry, boss.
Those old people deserve that. And who are you? Moral science teacher? Huh? And you are trying to teach some human value system? Don't you?
And whatever you should be have confidence for fighting. You should not have.
Yeah, fight.
No.
Come. Even before international boxing, they will have a common respectful gesture. Would you like to go for it?
Sorry.
Bus, that I don't need bus.
Next time if you hey, look at me when I'm speaking. Next time if you interfere in something that is not concerned with you and connected with you, your face itself is going to be realized. Do you understand that?
Old people go.
Huh?
Idiot. I listened to you and
I said go back to your seat. You are not and playing at us.
Come here.
No,
You
boss.
want any help to put yourself? I mean, put your rear end.
No, I can do it.
Huh?
I can do it, boss. Sorry, boss. We carry on, boss.
You
We
got
don't-
beaten.
You don't
for
restrict me
us.
to
Okay,
carry.
boss. Sorry, boss. I have a packet of chips. You want it?
Huh?
No, I have a packet of
Just
chips.
eat
Yeah, it
that
friends.
Chips.
Yeah.
You thought I was a first grader or second grader to have packet of
Okay,
chips?
what do you need? What do you want?
Am I looking as if I'm going to
No,
have packet of
no.
chips?
I was just asking. Friendship.
What do you want? You are a waiter or something in the restaurant where you can feed me food? Huh?
Forgive me, bro.
Go. Sit down.
Helpless. What do you think?
Freeze.
Did he say something?
No, nothing.
Freeze. And so, since the bully, even we could say using crude words, has insulted Tom, we can see that Tom, for the rest of the 7-hour flight, feels helpless, hopelessness, and feels useless, even we could say. And let us see how Tom's emotions react after landing in Singapore.
Wow. Some place. What do you think?
That's a nice place.
What do you think?
Very nice place.
Very nice. Super. Okay. Yes, we did it. It's all because of you. Thank you.
Finally, we got here.
Yeah.
Finally. Now let's go to that interview place and figure out a way to get the job. Okay.
Yeah. You're right. Let's do this. Come on.
We can do
We
it.
can do it.
We have the confidence.
Yeah, we can do it. Sir,
I
sir, you are interviewer also. Again, you are also an interviewer, right?
Yeah, okay, I'll be an interviewer.
Okay.
And the narrator,
Yeah. Number is yeah.
இல்ல ரெண்டு பேர் சார் ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்காங்க
Hey, மூணு question மூணு.
Time. Net 5:50.
So 5:22.
5:22.
3 minutes later ஆரம்பிச்சு சொன்னீங்க. அப்படியே ஆட் பண்ணீங்களா சார்? 7 ஆட் பண்ணீங்க.
So 12:22. 12:22 elapsed.
குட் ஈவினிங் சார்
Good evening.
சார் ஐ டேக்
Yeah, pull up the chair.
Thank you.
ரொம்ப ஃபீலிங் சார் உங்களுக்கு அப்படியே வாங்க
We got virtual interviewers.
Oh.
They will be joining the video conference.
so unfortunately I'm only able to see your back, so move aside.
sorry
You should have studied the circumstance and should have acted accordingly.
sorry yeah Question?
Please try and develop your awareness if you get the job.
Sorry, sir. I'm really sorry.
So, sir, would you like to start off with the first question or?
You start.
See, what we are looking for to fill up this question is not something very ludicrous or something. It's not rocket. You know what? Speaking of rocket science, I want to ask you, what is rocket science?
What is rocket science, sir? What is rocket science? Come on.
It's a kind of a common reference that people make. It is so simple, it is not rocket science. So when somebody makes a reference like it is not rocket science, what do they actually mean by saying rocket science?
You're right.
Rockets
No,
just
I
fly.
asked a question.
Ah,
I did not ask your assurance that I am right. I know I am right, but you understand?
Yes, sir. Rockets are very complex. Like you have to. What did science teacher said?
Where are you talking to and who is that?
No. Sir.
You
sorry.
see some hallucinations from something here?
Sir, no, sir. I'm just like
Huh?
Imagine.
nothing, sir. Sir, rocket. What is rocket?
Rocket just fly.
Who are you talking to? Hey, idiot, who are you talking
Sir, no, sir. I'm bringing back my memories. Sir, once.
to? You are working in NASA before to bring back your memories?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, I'm not so good at science, sir. So.
Forget it. What's your plan? Where do you see yourself after 10 years?
Sir, I see myself
Working in this company.
working in this company, sir, in the future, and maybe as a project manager or something.
Maybe. So you are living a life of maybe.
Sir, if I get a job and if I work hard, then definitely I'll get to that thing, sir.
I'll be 100% working on it. So
I'll be 100% working on it, sir.
Who is prompting you?
Huh? No one, sir. Nothing, sir. I don't know what it is called, but something.
Forget it.
Do you have like a hidden earpiece or something we should be aware of?
Sir.
Or
Sir.
any existing
I already
medical
have
conditions
security
to your
check
brain or
outside.
something?
We already have security check also.
We did have a security, and don't you think? I mean, you don't look as smart as a person who could dodge our security system
Yes.
because we got a very smart security system.
Singapore, sir.
Yeah, right. You better know that. Okay.
Okay.
Last question.
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to work in a dungeon 1980s vintage workstation where there is no internet, no modern establishment? Will you be comfortable to work in such a place?
Yes, sir. I'll be able to work.
How?
Place.
How? Can you describe how?
Sir, can you just describe me my role, sir? Marketing.
You will be the senior marketing executive taking care of all the goods and services being delivered, after sales service, conducting the marketing research, and knowing about the customers' use and all that.
Sir, yes,
How are you
sir.
going to make it possible by using those vintage old school system?
Sir, like I'll have a team, sir, of trusted people, and we have calculators, right, sir? So at least the old.
Did 1980 carry calculator?
Yes, sir. At least we could come up with some forecasting numbers and we could try to match the sales amount, sir. I just need a team pictures by me, sir. Consisting of my most trusted people. I'll be able to do it, sir.
The security system mentioned that you carry almost about 2 or 3 smartphones in your jeans packet. And how do you think it's going to be possible for a guy like you to work in a dungeon, work at hospital?
Sir, actually, I don't use cell phones much, sir. I just use it for speaking to my parents, sir. I got a lot of family bonds, sir. I don't want to speak about all that.
Excuse
So-
me, sir. Sorry for the interruption. Could I give you a plastic coffee or something?
I need coffee, and actually I'm
Yeah,
bringing.
coffee. 1 cup coffee.
What?
just keep
Oh,
flying
not
in
for
the
me.
night.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
I'm breaking head with this idiot, so you better
Coffee, sir?
put some pepper into it.
Only for thank you, sir.
Masala coffee.
For me, sir? Or? Oh, sorry. I thought. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Yeah.
We will contact you. Thank you so much.
Clear, sir?
We will contact you.
Sorry, sir. Really, sir. Bye, sir. Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
In the Singapore Airlines.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Freeze. Now we go to the restaurant sequence
yeah, you can leave now.
where the protagonist asks for some idli, but he does it in a stylish way. So let's see what actually happens. Navgan will play the role of a waiter.
Hey,
Navgan will play the role of a waiter, and I'll be the customer, and they'll be my feelings. Wow.
You want to go
Waiting
downstairs?
restaurant. You're the manager, right, sir?
What can I do for you?
Can you just send me a waiter, please?
Sir, I'll take care of this person.
Oh, hi.
What were you doing? An ordinary customer coming and looking for the service of a managing director. Take care of him, please.
Thank you,
Sorry,
sir.
sir. I thought he was some
Some?
person who lives on the street. Okay, sir. So, come on, sir. We have this is
Okay,
Choose
wait.
Chinese
I'll
restaurant. What do you want, sir?
Yeah. So, you know, I'm an avid fan of MasterChef Australia and also. I'll just describe a thing. You find it.
Okay, sir.
I
Yeah,
want-
just 2 continents away from Australia, so no
Yeah.
problem.
Brilliant. So, you know, I want a steamed rice cake, okay, with a pinch of semolina. And along with it, you have some vegetable lentil stew with salt drizzled on top, just like this. I want it to be very soft and fluffy, okay? You get what I mean, right?
Just say it properly, man.
I said properly only.
It's
I
not.
don't act as smart.
Shut up.
So,
Yeah.
steamed rice cake, sir.
Yeah. Along with vegetable lentil stew with a pinch of semolina, I mean.
So, you want idli? and
Yeah,
sambar,
correct. That's what.
lentil soup, sir.
Yeah.
Did you
that's
see
called
the
sambar.
name of the restaurant when you walked in?
Name? Who will see name and all? Come on, go, bring.
It's
Choose
Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant.
Chinese
You could
restaurant.
have told me before. Sorry, sir. So you don't have any Indian food. I read in the newspaper that everything is available in Singapore.
If you walk 3 streets down to the Indian restaurant, you will find Indian food, sir.
Oh.
This is some small thing called common sense. Maybe you should learn it now.
Wait, I went to an Italian restaurant and they served an Indian pasta. Pasta bolognese it seems. You don't have Indian all here.
Bola.
Sir.
Ah.
Please leave. Okay. If you want Chinese food, I'll bring you. What do you want? You tell.
No, I don't want Chinese food. Where is the Indian restaurant?
3 doors downstairs. Go.
Okay. Fine.
That is 3 buildings away, sir. Understand that? Okay.
I know you keep it. Poor customer service. What kind of waiting
Thank
you
you.
have?
Sorry.
Manager, sir, I think something's wrong with him, sir. Let him.
What? He's
What kind of-
disrespecting me.
He's one of the star waiters that we have in our hotel. And what was the food order that you made?
Actually, I ordered a steamed rice cake.
Say it
Okay.
proper. Don't.
I properly beat me. With a pinch of semolina. And along with it, I ordered a vegetable lentil stew.
You're asking for old school idli and chutney that is
Ah.
commonly used in Tamil Nadu as a breakfast. And you are coming to Singapore and asking for it. Don't you have sense?
Sorry, I didn't read the. Sorry. Yeah.
Go back to your home and have lots of raw vegetables so that your brain sees some improvement. Do you understand? Okay.
Okay.
Specifically eat beetroot and carrot so that your hemoglobin rises and the blood can rush fastly to your brain
Ah.
and you can think better. Okay, and you're finding fault with my waiter.
Sorry.
Go, I'm showing the door. Go.
You look very smart, sir. Really, sir. Sir. Because of you.
It's very important now.
Please. Now Tom gets a nightmare. Now let's see how Tom reacts after getting a nightmare. So you can be one of his feelings of course. Yeah.
Feeling.
Feelings. Our react for Again, you two can speak. Okay, Rob. Oh no. You got a nightmare. You also got it, right?
Nightmare is very common in your life, and ever since your childhood, you have always been getting a nightmare. This is a new place, new country, so getting a nightmare is a very big deal.
The seeds of subconscious mind. Don't.
Look, it's very dominating that mom was in trouble in the nightmare. Take the phone and call her.
Right. Shall I call it?
It's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But think again before you call.
What?
Something? No,
Something?
I'm just your inner conscious. I'm getting a hunch or something, so think before you call.
So what should I do? Yeah, 2 o'clock. Will she be awake now?
So what? It's an emergency. Emergency doesn't come with time bomb. Go.
Yeah,
go
let her
ahead.
wake up. Always she's sleeping.
He always gives you negativity.
Ah,
He
yeah.
doesn't want to listen to it.
I will not listen to you. Go.
The person who is standing behind you, he's much worse than him.
Yeah.
So, listen to me.
Not there.
If you want to prosper in life, listen to me.
Yeah, I listened to him and I got nicely from the interviewer and from the manager.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
You should not attend the call.
I cannot speak to him. I can speak only through him. That's the only reason I'm not breaking his tape. He's the baddest and the worst inner conscience that you could ever have.
She's not attending.
Oh, sister.
Call your
Yes,
father,
See,
sister.
we both are on the same wavelength.
Sister, father,
She has never picked up my phone. Okay.
Okay, sister, father, uncle, everybody, come on.
everybody will not get
Brother
it.
also.
Hey, you be quiet. So sisters also not picking up.
Why are you crying? You're a little bit of trash.
Father.
Time is 2 o'clock.
Stop crying, you idiot.
You are one of
You are
us.
land
Why are you
Why
insulting
are you
us?
calling 2 o'clock?
Yeah, Nagaland, repeat please.
I was speaking this. So you are one of us only, no? Why are you insulting us?
The one
Suddenly nowadays you will come, or for 1 week or 2 weeks you will stay somewhere back in the corner of the subconscious, and now you will come.
I show
Something's
up
wrong
only
about-
during clear circumstances where my help is needed. I just don't keep on shouting and yelling just like you people are doing. Okay, I come only for justice for reasons, unlike you.
You can tell that.
Hey, be quiet.
We have
I called my father, my uncle's neighbors, brothers, sisters, brother also I called. No one is attending.
Get to the airport. Stop
Ah.
calling, get to the airport. It's time. It's high time, get to the airport.
Oh yeah.
You're
yeah,
supposed to check out, you idiot. You have to go
Oh,
back.
sorry. Yeah, let's go, come on. Please. Now Tom checks out of the airport and he meets a woman, an
Please.
elderly woman who resembles
Keep it up. Get on.
who resembles
இங்க.
ரோல் பண்ணி அதான் சரி
எடுத்துக்கோ. முதல்ல எடுத்துக்கோ.
yeah. So he meets an old woman who resembles his mom and let's see how Tom and his feelings react.
in this sequence, who will be the Tom?
Hey, no.
I'm
Dress. Very grand.
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 Sir, shall we start, sir? You are also one of my feelings.
Old woman doesn't not me. This like this stuff.
Sir,
That's like
No, she is my mom.
She is not your mom.
No, she's my mom.
Hey, be sensible. She's not your mom. She might be looking. Hey,
You have common
world
sense or
produces,
not?
world produces 7 resembling people together. You understand that she's one of them.
No, she came with
Tom, look at her. She's just like her mom, Tom.
How
Yeah,
can
correct
your
it.
mom can
She's
be
just like her mom.
Ah, yeah.
I think it's something.
Yeah.
Something's not wrong.
And
She's not right.
You look like my mom.
Hey, you idiot. She's not your mom. Your mom is very peaceful back home. You understand? Right?
So she didn't come.
You are going to land up in trouble by calling a stranger a mom. She might be calling the police.
At least she looks like my mom.
So,
Tom, I'm telling you, our mother has been in an accident or something. This is a ghost or something probably. You talked her.
hey, you shut
Something's
the
not
hell
right. I
up.
can feel it.
You shut the hell up, you primitive prime fellow. Hey, you
Hey,
listen to me.
you shut up.
Hey, you
Tom.
shut the hell up. Hey, hey, listen to me.
Yeah, why do you always
I
scare
am
me?
telling you, because I am the person who is giving
I'm
you
getting
meaningful
tears in my eyes. She looks like my mom.
She might be putting you in trouble. You understand that?
Why would she do it? Moms don't.
Hey, some stranger, if you go and call, even if you are resembling with your mom, they might be putting you in trouble. Listen to me, go back to your seat. Hold your emotions and go back home and show all the emotions to your mother, not to her.
Shall I do what he said, bro?
Hey,
Auntie, what's your name, auntie? Your name is? Kirtana. Oh. My mom's name is Kritika. Okay. K, no problem. Yeah. Auntie look like my mom, you know.
so what are you going to do now?
Hey, wait, Kritika, Kirtana, matching my mind.
Okay, she is resembling, so what are you going to do now?
Your full name?
You're going to involve her name in your ration card? But
At least I asked her, my mom is not picking up. Oh, your full name, huh? Kirtana. My mom's full name also Kritika only. Hey, she resembles my mom.
you
Since
might
I'm
be
not-
calling the police and it is
Will you
careful.
call the police?
of course you're
Of course, sir.
Just get up and go to your seat.
just saying me as a mom and then you're just speaking to someone who's not done here.
I'm speaking to myself.
கை அதை அதை போட்டு ஏன் கிழிக்கிற அதையும் போட்டு இப்படி பிடிக்கிற நீ முதல்ல ஒழுங்கா நில்லு 3
I just remembered my mom when I saw her.
Don't show your weakness in front of a stranger. I've been telling
Honestly, call the police, man.
I've been telling that's wish I could have the hands to beat you up.
You heard that?
I've been telling you not to show your weakness to anyone, and to some stranger you are sitting and crying.
You look at her face, she looks like my mom.
Hold your emotions for about 5 or 6 hours. We will be back home. We can go and meet mom. You
Mom,
understand?
can ask the police to go back. Please, mom. I just remembered my mom. That's good.
Wish I could talk to her directly. Wish I could talk to her directly. I can convince her even better. I would not be crying like
But you want to
old
listen.
fox. tell her that I'm in a very serious situation.
I'm in a very serious situation.
Hey idiot, listen to me.
Oh, okay.
Tell her I'm in a very serious situation. I'm missing my mom terribly. So it happens. So please don't take it seriously. Whatever I have done on a nonsense basis, apologize. I apologize.
I apologize, whatever I did. Oh, sorry, I reversed.
There is a sequence. Okay, there is a sequence. You rubbish fellow, I'm not even able to beat you. There is a sequence. Fix
Okay, 1
it.
second.
I'm in a serious situation. Repeat, I'm in a serious situation.
I'm in a serious situation.
It happens in human life.
It happens in human life.
And I have been
I have been
very idiotic
very idiotic
to you.
to you.
And I miss my mom terribly.
Miss my mom terribly.
Actually, I miss my mom terribly.
I miss my mom terribly.
I apologize.
I apologize. Call back the police.
Say that. Call back the police, send back the police.
Something. I'm trying to send back the police. Now go.
Hey, you say all these statements and keep that as a footnote.
Okay, I told you everything. I forgot.
Hey, you piece of press. You have very memory.
What? Yeah, what is it? I remembered my mom and that's all. It happens. You are also human and you won't remember your mom and dad. That same thing. Further you'll call police now.
But your behavior is not like that.
Send back the police, call back the police, do whatever you want. Sorry, I'm confused. Okay. You found my explanation satisfactory.
He is convinced.
I convinced better than you.
I'm going. I'm not coming back even if you call.
No, don't go.
Let that idiot go. I'm telling you, Tom. Let that Tom go.
Hey, you piece of trash. Hey, you idiot. You blind fellow. The only mistake that God has created is giving you a birth over here. You shut up. Next word you speak, I'll kick you out of
No,
the
no,
system.
no, no, the only
Okay?
mistake
You
you
shut
made
the
is
hell up.
making your face
I'm
look
not
like
going-
that. Go,
I'm
man.
not
What
going
is
to shut my
it?
mouth. I'm not going to shut my mouth until you remain silent. You understand that? This guy is going to be in trouble. You shut the hell up and you make
No,
another
no,
word
don't
like
shut the
that.
hell up.
I'll kick on your face. Shut the hell up. I'm saying this.
Oh, be
And
quiet.
he is going to be in trouble if you are keeping on saying. Ask him to shut up. Ask him to shut up. Otherwise, I'll be keeping on shouting.
Please,
you.
please.
Ask him to shut up.
Someone shut up.
They're done. I will not talk to you for 3 hours now. You see.
Shut the hell up. Go ahead. Not for 3 hours. Don't come for 3 generations. You scumbag.
Go, you go.
You scumbag. Just get out.
Oh, please.
I'm going to say something abusive to you. All right?
No,
So you better
Mom didn't teach us that.
then
Mom didn't teach us that.
ask him to remain.
Please.
Ask him to shut up.
Yeah.
Scumbag little piece of trash idiot.
Hey, shut up, man. Freeze. Now Tom goes back to his home, and after kicking kicking the table beside him and kicking the pillows and bed sheets, finally realizes that everything is a dream. Let's see how Tom reacts to this. Sir, நீங்க ஒரு சரி வாங்க சார் நல்லா இருக்கு சார் நீங்க everything was a dream. Sir,
I've been telling you. Nice. Are you watching a movie? I've been
It was
telling
like
you.
watching a movie.
I've been telling you. You have been listening to some senseless idiot like that idiot scumbag.
Please don't
And
start.
you have been always senseless ever through in your life. And I have been telling you. Every single sequence I have been telling you. I've been giving you a reality shock and you never bother to listen. Now see, everything is a dream and you have made a fool of yourself.
Yeah, it's just a dream, man.
Everything was a dream.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you going to
Yeah,
make
I
out of
told
this?
that so
What
I
are
was
you-
having
Hey, you
fun
shut up,
with
scumbag! You shut up! You are not supposed to speak. Until this sequence finishes, you are not supposed to speak. Until he comes to the rest of his piece, you are not going to speak. Shut up! Shut the hell up!
Understood.
Before I use any abusive words, shut the
Hey,
hell up!
mom didn't teach us this.
I am teaching you this.
No,
Okay, if
don't
you are
teach.
having that kind of a conscious. Coming back to subject matter, what are you making out of this particular dream, and how are you going to face
It
this?
was very nice.
Getting kicked out in a plane, getting kicked out in a restaurant, and getting kicked out by a
I
lady in the
answered
airport.
2 questions very well now.
What
You
answer?
are about to give me the job, but you came and woke me.
Did they? So you
They
want
didn't
everything to
say
be in
the
the dream.
time.
Huh?
You want everything to be in the dream, not in the reality.
No, I will. Like, I'll work hard and I'll achieve success. Wait.
When
Hey, welcome to Malaysia. Hey, Malaysia. I'll go to Malaysia. Right?
Pinch wants to see whether it is.
Yeah, it's reality, it's reality. Bro, Malaysia ticket. Not ticket, I'm sorry. Newspaper.
you have big memory loss in your life.
You are right. Having you in my system is the biggest memory loss. Okay. Alexia, okay? Just part of that.
What? Do I have a choice? I'll have to come with you.
Yeah, you have to come with me. You have to advise me then, okay? I will not listen to your mistakes.
I'll kick you on your back if you're not listening.
Okay. Please, sir.
Sir, 33 minutes at total. 33
Sir, now 26 minutes 23 seconds, sir. Before 7 minutes and 23 seconds.
20, now 26.
Now it's 26 minutes 22 seconds.
Okay, then 33 minutes. Okay.
Great job.
Right, good job.
Thank you.
Good job, team.
Good job, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good job, everyone.
Good job, team.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you. Super, super.
Good job, team.
One job now.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
வீடியோல நீங்க மட்டும் தான் தெரியுங்க நீ தெரியல நீங்க நீ கவர் ஆகலனா உனக்கு கிளாஸ் வாட்டர்
தனி கேமரா செட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
Okay, so the sixth round was officially completed and Team Balaji finished in 19 minutes and 32 seconds. And Team Krishwant finished in 24 minutes and 42 seconds. And Team Hariyaran were able to finish in 33 minutes and 30 seconds. So clearly, by taking less amount of time with 24 minutes, Team Krishwant is leading in this particular round. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Great job, friends. Good job.
Well done, Team Krishwan. Good job, Team Krishwan.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, point, sir.
Yeah, and thank you. Now,
Hold your process.
okay, so as far as Team Balaji goes, their biggest highlight was their team play and their ability to comprehend things. And yes, there was a little bit of a time challenge, and you all should understand that they were the first team to present this one, so there is always going to be complication in online format. But besides that, they did a wonderful job, so I really appreciate the think tank.
Super team, Balaji. Great
Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends. Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends.
And I was throughout listening to the team discussion. Kiran, Balaji, Nitin Murugan, Prabhu Aditya, Ritvika were all really very active. Not falling short to the other two teams they are planning over here. So I really appreciate the team for. I'm giving you a bonus of 3,500.
Great job, team.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, friends.
23,500 is your score.
Thank you, sir.
23,000, sir.
23,500 is the score. Out of 25,000, 3,500 as the bonus for your brilliant performance.
Great job, team.
Great job, team.
Good job, team.
So
Thank
that-
you, friends.
So that makes 27,000.
Thank you.
Super.
So now let us come to Team Hariyaran. So Darshan Siddharth, Hariyaran, Kirtana and Kavin Karthik, they were part of the skit for both the days, and I really appreciate, especially Darshan Siddharth.
Great
I
job,
really
ma'am.
appreciate your
Great
script
job.
writing.
Great job.
Thank you.
It's
Good
really
job,
good.
ma'am. Good job, ma'am. Great job, team. Great job,
Good job, team.
Haryana.
Good job, Team Hariyaran.
Haryana.
Good job, Team Hariyaran.
Minus 2,500. Minus 2,500 for a team member's absence in the online form. I am not going to take that as a count. And he did not behave properly. Navalan did not behave properly. Podandra, idiot andra. Hey, you hear me?
Sir?
I have been observing you in quite number of skit. You are going way beyond too much, beyond your limit. Understand that you are only a little piece of rat, and you are very, very disrespectful. Very, very disrespectful. These days, you are using unparliamentary languages. You are using derogatory comments. In one of the skits, you used about seduction and all that, which was very, very ugly. And now in this skit, you are using words like idiot, vada, vada. Who gave the rights to do all that? Huh?
I thought since we were all that part of the emotion, I would be the anger and.
Who gave you the right? Did Dakshin Siddharth ask you to do that?
No.
Has any bloody person who has come to MS evening session had got the right to call me Boda and Vada here?
Sir, no sir, sorry sir, I got carried away sir.
உன் லிமிட்ல இரு. உனக்கு அதான் நல்லது. இல்லாட்டி பகுதிகளெல்லாம் காண போயிரு அடிக்கிற ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. What do you think of yourself? Huh?
Sorry sir.
Sorry my ass. I've been observing you quite number of times. நீ கொஞ்சம் வளர்ந்துட்ட அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக என்ன வேணாலும் பேசிக்கலாமா? நீ அன்னைக்கு அப்படிதான் ஏதோ ஒரு ஸ்கிட்ல கல்விதோட ஸ்கிட்ல you are speaking about seduction, this, that, hot and spicy girlfriend. All those freaking comments. And today this. What do you think of yourself? You're living somewhere out of the world or something? And who gave you the rights to do all that? We have little kids here. சரி அன்னைக்கு தான் பேசாம போட்டு நான் விட்டாச்சு. And I've been very much annoyed with that kind of comments that you are using. These days you are using unparliamentary, derogatory, to be censored kind of deep words which are not supposed to be used. And I have been always giving you the warning of using the language. You use the word starting with yes, you use the word starting with f several times. அதுக்கெல்லாம் உன்னை பொலேன்னு அப்பி இருந்தேன்னு வச்சுக்கேன் ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் நீ இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிடுவான். Standing 6 foot அப்படின்ற அன்னைக்கு என்னடான்னா this big pile of அப்படின்ற என்னடா நினைச்சிட்டு நீ காலேஜ் பசங்களே உதறிட்டு இருக்கிற டைம்ல நீ வந்து ரொம்ப பெருசா வாய் ஓட்டிட்டு இருக்க. இன்னைக்கு இடியட்ன்ற வாடா போடான்ற எவன்டா கொடுத்தா உனக்கு இந்த தைரியத்தை? நான் கொடுத்தனாடா?
No sir, sorry sir. Sorry team.
5,000 minus for this ugly, fit for nothing. I'm really sorry.
Sorry.
Why do you apologize? He has never been holding his mantle of discipline and decorum. What? சொல்லுடா. சொல்லு.
சார் ஜார்டின்னு ஒரு ஷோ இருக்கு சார், அதில் கொஞ்சம் இந்த மாதிரி தான் பேசுவாங்க.
So you think what? So is that very relevant now? அவன் எதுவும் பார்த்துட்டு போறான். I don't care. I give a rat's rear end with whatever he sees and whatever he is doing. இங்கே அதை நடந்துக்கூடாது. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் அந்த மாதிரி பேசினா அடிச்சு சத்தியமாக அடிச்சு. Irrespective of the good performance, team Hariharan loses 5,000 points, and I really appreciate. But however, I appreciate Hariharan's massive improvement.
Well done, Anna. Good job. Well done, Hariharan. Well done, Hariharan.
Thanks, sir.
But
Thank you.
So, team Hariharan, unfortunately, as Shakespeare says, when it cuts, it bleeds. But I was initially giving you 24,500. So, minus 4,000. So, that makes 19,000. 19,500 for minus 5,000. Now,
Well done, team. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Well done, team.
coming to team
Good job,
Krishnan.
team Hariharan, Anna.
Coming to team Krishnan. There is a bonus factor for Pranav being very much accommodated very easily, although this being a first skit. There is a bonus. There is a bonus of, yeah, you're welcome. There is a bonus of 2,000 for Team Krishwant. Krishwant has been in several skits in 2019, but these days in the current skits he is showing more amount of involvement. That's really good.
Super Krishnan, well done Pranav.
And very unfortunately, Vishnu Priya, although being a very good performer in the team, she had to cut through the session's performance yesterday. And yesterday, to see her team's performance, she was asking the video clip. I appreciate that. Putting more Krishnan than Vishnu Priya's content, another 2,000 bonus.
Thank you, sir.
Vedavarshan, Kalpita and Mitra, one has to be really really appreciating Mitra's swift and I really admired the way that you gave the narration and also Colin. Good job. So Varshan is always a cool customer whenever it comes to recovery and whenever it comes to delivery. Kalpita, as usual, she is a silent storm. She performs when she is supposed to perform. All around good performance. $2,000 plus maybe 1,000 for Kalpita and 5,000. 20, but content வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் elaborate பண்ணிருக்கலாம். Time இல்லாம போயிடுச்சு. Content and so score வந்து 23 ஆனா score வந்து 23,500 தான். 23,500 plus this bonus of 5,000. 28,500. So, Team Balaji, 27,000 in this round. Team Krishwant, 28,500 in this round. And Team Hariharan, 19,500. But I would like to give a bonus for the Hariharan's improvement and Dakshin Siddharth's commitment. So we shall add a 2,000 bonus for you. So 19, although you faced 5,000 slash minus point, 2,000 bonus. So 19,500 plus 2,000. That makes 21,000. 21,500. So,
Sir, 2,000.
இல்ல உனக்கு 1,000 அவனுக்கு 2,000. அண்ணன் ஏதாவது பேசியிருந்தாங்க 1,000 கொடுத்துருக்கேன். குட்டி குட்டி ஏதாவது பேசியிருந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு 1,000. நீ பேசுன பாயிண்ட் சார் அவனுக்கு கொடுத்தா. Right. Okay. So now Kirtana will take a moment and add and say the three teams' scores so that Thank you.
Sir, 2,08,600. Last time we had 1,08,000.
So Team Krishwant is சொல்லுங்க எவ்வளவு?
Sir, last time we had 1,80,100, sir. So this time including bonus we got 28,500, sir. So totally 2,08,600.
2,08,600 is Team Krishwant. Team Hariharan 1,97,000. Team Balaji. Oh, that's it. Team Balaji 175.
ஏடா
இல்லைங்க 164 தான். 164 plus 27,000. 191. நான் சொல்றேன். Team Balaji 1,91,000. Team Hariharan 1,97,000. Team Krishwant 2,08,600. இது ரெண்டு கப்ஸ் கட்டாயம் போயா கட்டாயம் வச்சு ஆகணும். நீ இனிமே இந்த கேள்வி கேட்டீங்கன்னா 10,000 minus.
Any physical games, sir?
basketball.
நாளைக்கு ஃபுல்லா அந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி ஃபுல்லா கொடுத்துருவோம்.
On game is there. Tennis court is here.
உங்களுக்கு அவங்க
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now ready, sir.
Now ready, sir.
ஷூட்டிங் டேபிள்
Cup dismantling, sir.
டப் டிஸ்மேண்ட்லிங் ஷூட்டிங்
Seven stars.
இந்த டேபிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் அளவுக்கு
Okay, sir.
சுத்தி
There, there, there. Okay, sir. This is near நாளைக்கு வரை. நாளைக்கு evening வரை. நாளைக்கு night வரை.
பாய்.
After an order.
So, Dakshin and Hariharan get some balls also.
Sir, no doubt.
சார் அவனுக்கு பாண்டு போய் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க போடாதே
பாண்டா காண்டா
Only memory.
Close all your notebooks because this is the final round of multi-facets of life and that is round number 7.
பால் மூடிட்டு வரேன்.
நீ இப்படி தான் கையில வித்துறாரு போய் ஆடிட்டு இருந்த வீடியோ
ஆமா
Yes, Balaji. அத மட்டும் zoom பண்ணி
So this is Christian, so you should not note down what are the things you are going to say, right, sir?
Absolutely, you are not supposed to note down and I believe in you.
No, no, you can note down and copy.
Okay, sir.
Oh my god, that's
எல்லாத்துக்குலாம் நோட்டே தேவை
Okay, let me stand.
Oh yes, sir.
So we are starting with team Balaji now. The point is very simple. I will be narrating a story.
They are not saying, sir, we can participate.
Bonus point.
தனித்தனியா was overthink over
ஆமா.
not a total.
அதை நான் சொல்லி முடிச்சு அடுத்த செகண்ட் நான் பெல் அடிச்சோன்னு அவங்க சொல்லணும். ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் தான் டைம்
So
இருக்கு.
question கேட்க மாட்டீங்க.
கொஸ்டின் கேட்பேன் கட்டாயம் கொஸ்டின் கேட்பேன்
அப்ப எல்லாருமே கவனிக்கணும்.
எல்லாமே எல்லாருக்கும் கவனிக்கு போனஸ் ரவுண்ட் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கு.
So you hear the story, so they need to say this.
என்னடா சார் அவங்க ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி அப்படியே சார் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவாங்க
சரி இப்போ நான் சொல்றது ஃபுல்லா எல்லாம் கவனமா லிசன் பண்ணுங்க. Then you will have all the answers for the questions. So the final round of multifacets of life goes like this. Like I will use these balls and cups in a different way. The very reason why balls and cups are chosen specifically for memory game is brain gets so much of confusion when the colors are involved and the descriptions are involved. Let's say for description, you might be thinking that this is rainbow ball. No, it is not rainbow ball. I will be naming it something else. So you got to remember. And I am going to check your note. First time I am going to ask nobody to note down anything. Nobody should note down anything. The point goes like this. Kiran, Nitin Murugan, Balaji, Kavin Raj, Nitin, Ritvika, everybody will be listening very clearly. Whenever you are not listening to my voice, you have the right to raise your hand. Skype has got the raise the hand button right now, so you just click the raise the hand and I will stop that you are asking me to repeat, and I will repeat because this will be said only once, no repetition. Sharpen your ears and sharpen your senses. So once I finish the scenario, immediately I will ring the bell and you will have to say the things that you remember. Most important point is all the members of the team should speak. If one person, even if one person is remaining idle in this entire process of explanation, your team will face minus mark. Remember, whatever you have been building in all these 6 rounds had been very much with your hard work, and any tiny little error that is made in this final round will be really damaging the whole block of the building that you have built very effectively in this past 6 rounds. So you got to be very careful. So you should use your memory, you should use your logical reasoning, and you should use your verbal reasoning for doing a much better performance. And I will be noting down all the mistakes. So in every round, the other 2 teams will have whatever they are noting down. The point is, let's say for example, if Pranav remembers something, the same thing if Hariharan remembers, they both can earn the points because they both have memorized that. So அவன் சொன்னதையே நீ ரிப்பீட் பண்ணாத அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நான் சொல்ல முடியாது. And I believe on that point. உனக்கும் நீ ஞாபகம் தான் சொல்ற அப்படிங்கிறது. ஆனால் அவன் சொன்னதை கேட்டு நீயும் இது பண்ண அப்படிங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு. அது உன்னுடைய யதார்த்தமாக உன்னுடைய மைண்ட்லேருந்து தான் வருதா இல்லை ஒருத்தங்கிட்ட எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி இந்த சொல்கிறேங்கிறது என்னால் ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். So there is no scope for cheating here. There is no scope for manipulation here because I can find that out easily. So all the three teams should be listening to all the three narrations very, very carefully. So no questions asked. But anybody in Hariharan's team, in Krishan's team and in Balaji's team, if you would like to stop and if you'd like to get a repetition because of some network issue or because of these kinds of geographical locational disturbances, you have the right to raise your hand. But you are not supposed to speak something. You raise your hand and say, could you please repeat that part alone? I will have the part repeated. But if you do that quite often, then the team will splash up with the minus points.
Sir, but if they raise your hand, it will be in a small icon, sir. So you won't be able to. In online format, we can raise your hand, sir.
Sir, if they can turn on the video, it will appear.
Video is not out.
Sir, can we discuss?
Sir, excuse me, sir, I don't have the price and option, sir.
No problem. You can. Okay. So we will scrap that raise the hand option.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up with us, sir.
Yeah, thumbs up. I think that.
React.
Now, there are emojis.
Because when you do the thumbs up, I can see respectively on your profile names so that I can stop. Okay? Shall I start the first team's narration? Hey Ritan, சொல்லு போல் thumbs up கொடுத்து இப்போ கொடுத்தா நான் என்னடா பண்றது?
No, sir, okay, sir. Thumbs up, okay, sir.
Right, okay. Team Balaji. Okay, Balaji, Kiran, Ritvika, Ritan, Prabhu, Kavinraj, Nitin. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Including the number
உங்க டீம் தானே? உங்க டீம். நான் பேசுறது வந்து உங்க டீம் பேர் வந்து போட்டேன்.
Sir, only one letter.
You ask individually or team, sir?
டீம். ப்ராசஸ் முடியும் போது டீம்ல இருந்து எல்லாரும் பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு அதான். இப்போ நான் வந்து மித்ராவை பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி கேட்குறேன். கல்பிதாக்கு அந்த ஆன்சர் தெரியுது, மித்ராவுக்கு தெரியுது.
sir.
ஸோ கல்பிதா ஆன்சர் பண்ணு.
Sir, இப்போ வந்து
Sir.
One second, Nitin.
if I say that I know the answer, sir, Krishna is appearing that even I know the answer, then you can, sir. If Krishna goes wrong, then I can't with it.
Sure, why not? Why not? Ultimately, my objective is everybody in the team should have performed. That's all. Yeah, Nitin, what's your question?
Is this like, sir, is this the memory game type of thing, sir?
Yes, it's a memory game. That's the only name for it.
Okay, sir.
Then can I answer? Kolli, kulli, kolli, kulli.
Sir.
Like I was saying.
சார் ஸ்பீக் பண்ணலைன்னா
இந்த ரவுண்ட் அவன் பேசணும் கட்டாயம் உங்களுக்கு மனசு.
Wait, no, yeah.
பேசியா
இதை கூட அவன் பேசாம அவன் சும்மா உட்காந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். இந்த பீச்ல அலைய வரத பார்த்துட்டு.
See, ஏதோ ஒரு கோல் அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் வச்சுக்கலாம்.
இல்ல இங்க பூராவே ப்ளூவா இருக்குனா
சார் சொல்றதெல்லாம் நீங்க மெமரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க.
Team Balaji, I'm starting. Kiran, I'm coming. Kiran, I'm coming. 1 second.
So there are two balls which are the same size.
Lettered basketball, non-lettered basketball.
You need not worry. This has got basketball written on it. This does not have. But in any case, there is going to be different names for each ball. So each house. You need not worry. Rainbow ball இப்போ ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. Happy ball ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. Ball கவனி. Kiran, go.
Sir, is the video necessary, sir? Like, because your video keeps getting stuck for me, sir. And so, if your video gets stuck, like stays stuck in while you continue the thing, sir, is it necessary for me to look at the video, or will you just explain everything through audio itself?
I don't think you will have a confusion just because of the problem of the video getting glitched. Because I'm going to explain very clearly. If I take a cup, I will describe the cup. So even if you are closing the eyes, you'll be really able to tangibly understand whatever I'm trying to say. So as long as the audio is clear, you are not going to have any problem. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Balaji, does your team have any other question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, Ritvika, I am expecting you to perform well because you are basically very good in memory. So if you really do well, if you really do
Yes,
well,
sir.
yeah, if you really do well, your team can flourish.
If you ask the answer, சொல்லுங்க.
அவரோட அக்கா, எனக்கு அவ மகன்.
நடங்கீரும்.
மிருதுவாஷினி பத்தி மித்ரா என்கிட்ட கேக்குறா. எங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் ஆன்சர் தெரியல. விஷ்ணு பிரியாவுக்கு தெரியும். About someone who is in our family, we don't know, but she knows.
அது எப்படி answer? நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுட்டா சொல்லுங்க பாருங்க.
இதுல நீங்க யாரை செருப்பால அடிக்கணும்?
சார் 29 னா நாளைக்கு. சார் சூப்பர் ஆடுங்க கூட.
Pranav.
ஐயோ ராமா முடியல.
DC.
Balaji, the time starts now.
என்னது சார் எஸ்ஸா எஸ்கா
Eska.
எஸ்கா எஸ்க்கு எஸ்கா
அப்படியே chat open பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Yeska, we will give our best.
உங்க கான்வர்சேஷன் நீங்க எதுக்கு அதை தலையிடுறீங்க?
நான் மட்டும் சமாளி நடந்துட்டேன்.
அடிக்கிறேன்.
நான் படிச்சேன்.
நீங்க படிச்சீங்க. வெயிட் படிச்சுக்கோங்க.
3, 2, 1, go. So, this particular rubber ball, which has got the multi shades of color, this person's name is Abdul. So, this is Abdul, Abdul. So, Abdul is basically weak in mathematics. This particular big brown color cup is mathematics. So Abdul is weak in mathematics. So if I show my hand over here, you got to tell me Abdul weak in mathematics. That's how the game is going to be. You understand? Sample okay, Kiran?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
இப்போ மெயின் பிக்சருக்கு போகலாம்.
அதே வேர்ட்ஸ் நம்ம
அப்படியே சொல்லு.
மெயின் வேர்ட்
அதாவது இதுல வந்து ரெண்டு கீவேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து அப்துல் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ். பட் நடுவில் இருக்கிற வேர்டு தான் எதுல முக்கியம். என்னது அவன் என்ன அவன் வீக்குங்கிறது தான் முக்கியம். நீ அதை விட்டு அப்துல் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ்
பாருங்க சார், இது எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம தெரியல சார் சொல்றோம். ஏய் நம்ம எப்படி மெமரைஸ் பண்ண தெரியுமா? அப்துல் வந்து வீக் இன் மேத். அதை எப்படி தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவோம்? மண்டையில களிமண் என்ன
போலீஸ்காரனா யோசி, திருடமா யோசி.
அவனு சார் அதாவது ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி தேவை சார் 20 seconds.
1 minute strategy. 1 minute, okay. Good job, thank you. அர்ச்சிப் சார், என்னோட ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி கேமா இருக்கிற ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி
எஸ்கா
இப்போ வேணுமா?
எல்லாரும்
சார் இப்போ வந்து அப்புறம் ஓகே சார்
Team Prashant is proposing for a 1 minute strategy. You want a strategy?
ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி
After the
எஸ்டி
ஒவ்வொரு நரேஷன் முடிஞ்சோன்னா 3 பேத்துக்குமே ஒரு 1 minute strategy கொடுக்குறேன், நீங்க பிளான் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி
Right, this one is for real, boys and girls. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. This particular small blue color cup, this particular small, in the shiny blue, old blue, new blue, அதெல்லாம் நீங்க கணக்கு வச்சுக்காதீங்க. The small blue color cup, this blue color cup's name, I mean this is a person, and this person is from Italy, the country Italy, and the name of the person is Martina. So this blue color cup is Martina from Italy. So Martina is very good at gardening. Okay, so in her garden, she's making a lot of relishing kind of plantations, and she ensures that the butterflies are always floating around in the garden. All right. So Martina is really very good at gardening. So this particular ball with the butterflies on it, with set of butterflies on it, represents the kind of garden that Martina is expertise in. Okay, so
Butterfly place.
so Martina had been having a very, very bad past. You know, when she was living in Italy, she faced a couple of relationship storms. Some of her friends did not believe her. Some of her friends found fault with her, and she was not really okay with having good relationships, good, what to say, very decent relationship with people. So she has got a bad past, and this bad past is represented by this particular purple cup. Martina's bad past is represented with purple cup. So whenever Martina thinks about the bad past, or the bad past is getting reminded of her, what she does is, she goes to a spa. She goes to a spa center and she finds some ways to relish, and she finds some ways to relax herself. There is a very good friend in that particular spa. That friend of Martina, you don't bother who the friend is, but the friend of Martina always helps to give her the relaxation. That spa is a real good place. It's a oasis of happiness for Martina. This green colored ball is representing the spa. So at the same time, one day when Martina went to the spa, she was seeing, she came to the acquaintance of her old friend who was living in India. So this old friend, her name is Shiba. Okay, so Martina meets Shiba. So Shiba was there in the spa for a facial kind of treatment, or some garnishing, or whatever you call. So she was there for a facial treatment. So Martina was shell-shocked by looking at Shiba, and Shiba said that she is a zonal sports champion. So the very fact that Shiba is a zonal sports champion is represented by this particular basketball, which does not have any letters printed on it. Shiba. So Shiba, now Martina says, okay Shiba, very happy to see you, and even more happy that you are a sports person. So where do you actually go for sports, and how do you learn? Because I also need to learn sports. But Shiba says, well, I did not learn sports in India. I learned sports in Malaysia. So this apple green cup is represented by Malaysia. So this represents Malaysia. The Malaysian Sports Agency. If you're saying Malaysia, minus mark. But if you're saying Malaysian Sports Agency, only I can accept. Malaysian Sports Agency, Shiba, with the fact that she is a good player in sports.
Malaysian Sport Agency.
Shiva is from Malaysian Sports Agency. He is a very good player in
Sir,
sports.
so the basketball represents Shiba and sports as a whole.
Correct. That's all. That's all.
Sir, that will meet, sir, in Italy or
Spa.
where is this possible?
Why?
Italy.
So she's
It's okay.
so she's an NRI, sir. Shiba.
ரொம்ப முக்கியம்.
Yes, sir. Italy தான் sir வாழ்றா. That's pronounced as Italy.
One day, when Shiba and Martina were going for a long drive, in this particular green cup, remember, you already have a green cup in the list. So this particular green cup, that is dark green cup. So they were going for a long drive, and there was a police checking. So the police stopped the vehicle right into the middle, and they checked the car. The car was actually belonging to Shiba, and they checked the entire inner vicinity of the car, and they found out a smuggled bundle of diamonds and precious stones in Shiva's car. And this particular green cup is representing the fact that the car was captured by the police, and the smuggled bundle was there. So this entire cup is envisaging the entire information. Green colored cup. Martina was shocked. Her friend was a criminal. She was just happy that she had a wonderful friend, and she got the friend back. But now Martina is really very much shocked. And when she was shocked, she did not have an option. The police was about to arrest Shiva. And now the police is asking Martina a question. Who are you? why are you associated with this girl? This girl's name is in the Interpol list. We are going to arrest her. What are you going to do? Martina says, leave me alone. I'll just walk away. And the police says, it is about 185 kilometers since you have been starting. I mean, from the place where you got adjourned. So are you going to walk 185 kilometers? I don't care. You don't really think about it. I would like to keep distance from this criminal girl. So she walks. And when she walks, she lands up into a jungle. And this ball represents jungle. This particular ball looks like the zebra crosses on it. It's a jungle.
That's it, sir.
We are coming to the climax. So,
Climax, okay.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
They don't want to.
It's a very tough situation.
now when they were walking in the jungle, poor Martina has always been a real kind of innocent person. So Martina had some belongings in her bag. So the belongings are the tiny little purple cup, Martina's headband clip
In handbag, sir.
in handbag. The tiny little purple cup, Martina's headband
Why
clip.
is he in the headband, sir?
English to translate for now. I asked you to shut your mouth and listen to it. Right, okay. So the fluorescent cup, the tiny little fluorescent cup is a notepad that Martina always used to carry in her handbag.
Sir, what is this, sir?
What gives a red band to the hand?
Headband clip. Money in a school.
Made up of
MS manufacturing
The black color cup is actually representing a white color envelope that contained dismissal order of Martina's previous company. There is another blue cup. And this particular blue cup is in Martina's bag. There is a licensed revolver. And you know, in other countries this is quite permissible, right? So a licensed revolver, and that is represented by the blue cup. So this orange color cup, and this orange color cup is representing, there is another thing in the bag, and this orange color cup is 1980s model cloth line, which Martina uses when she stays somewhere. She fixes up the cloth line and she puts the wet clothes on it. So this particular orange cup is the cloth line that Martina has in her bag. And there is another green cup over here. This is a medium-sized green cup, and this green cup is the bag that contains everything that I have mentioned. So in the jungle, when Martina was walking with all these bags containing all these elements, there comes a particular truck, and that truck stops in the middle of the jungle, and the time was 8:30 in the night. So Martina was not really able to recognize that it was a truck, and this blue color cup is representing the truck. Last but by no means the least, the ball that is written with happy and the smiley faces on it is representing some mob gangsters getting out of that particular truck, and they are running towards Martina. And this ball is representing the crime sequence of those mob gangsters running towards Martina.
Sir, suspense episode means, sir, arrest suspense.
Happy birthday.
Sir, part 2
Part two also.
Martina, the little fish.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait, everybody. This is meant for Balaji's team. I am outrightly serious. Correcta 65 seconds தான் team strategy. அந்த 65 seconds க்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு பெல் கேட்டு நீங்க வராம நின்னுட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா உங்க டீமுக்கு 5000 மைனஸ். 65 seconds. மூணு டீமுக்கு 65 seconds தான் காமன் டைம் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம். இப்போ பெல் அடிச்ச உடனே உங்க சேர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் நகர்த்தி வச்சுக்கோங்க.
சரி கிட்ட போட்டு வெளியே டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சரி நீங்க வீட்ல போட்டு சார் வாங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
அதெல்லாம் நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். 3, 2, 1, go.
So, I remember the part where in the beginning, Martina is the blue cup, and she's an expert gardener, but she had a bad past, which is represented by the purple cup. Wait, Nathan, you should say the entire story because then we'll lose time. Not to like quickly just discuss the format. Then can I go first because I remember? Okay, go ahead. And then Anka, I don't remember. Yeah, I'm probably gonna forget a lot. Because I don't remember all the comments. The only thing I don't remember is the things in her bag.
So first, so let us remember what we have. So let us try to remember. Let us try to remember this cup represents what and this one represents who. And then if they ask story means let us say this is what actually happened. So let us make some thinking about we should remember.
இது வந்து
Fluorescent cup. The notepad was the notebook. It's type. The only place, like, I think I remember everything else, but the only place I'll have trouble is the stuff in the bag. So, you all should help each other out and you all should speak the next one. Okay.
சரி எல்லாருக்கும் இதே கப்ஸ்ல டிஃபரண்ட் தீம்ஸ்
Very different.
நாங்க எல்லாரும் வீடியோ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி டைம் ஆகும்.
பாருங்க.
சார் ஆனா இந்த ஸ்டோரி தான் எல்லாருக்கும்
நெய்
Team Balaji, time up. And so, first and foremost, go with the sequence and explain. 3, 2, 1, go.
So, good evening, one person over here. So, this represents a story about Martina. So Martina is coming from Italy, which represents the small blue cup. And when Martina arrived in Italy, he's good in gardening. So he went to the garden and saw a lot of butterflies. So the butterfly ball represents the garden, and the next and then I like can to continue.
So the next cup represents how she's had a bad past and she's had a lot of, she's been through a rocky road in her past, and this represents the purple cup.
You and Balaji are making the same mistake. Say the color of the cup and say the ball's description. You just can't say the background information. That anyone can do. So say the color of the cup and say the ball's description. I'll explain panna நீங்க அதையும் சொல்லணும். Come on. Martina, Italy, what color cup? Which one? Come on.
Okay, sir. Should I start from the first cup, sir?
No, he has given the narration. I'm happy with the narration. But tell me the representations of the cups and balls.
Okay, sir. So the small blue cup is it represents Martina from Italy, sir, and then the cup on top of that is and the ball on top of that is the butterfly ball, sir, which represents her love for gardening.
Okay, good. Then.
And I'd like Prabhu Arthya to continue this, sir.
Done. உடனே அடுத்தவங்க கொடுத்துருவீங்க.
Sir, the green cup. Sir, the green cup is the spa where she goes and relaxes.
What green? We have 3 greens. So which green you are mentioning? I mentioned a
Sir,
metaphor.
near the fluorescent cup, sir.
அதெல்லாம் நீ சொல்ல முடியாது. நீ பார்த்துட்டுலாம் சொல்லாத. டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணு. நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்? I mentioned a word. இது மாதிரி அப்படின்னு I mentioned a reference. அதை சொன்னீங்கன்னா தான் பாயிண்ட். டீம்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி யாரும் வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம். தப்பே இல்லை.
Sir, apple green, sir.
Exactly. Good. Nice. Seri. Come on, Prabhu Aditya. Coming back to you. Apple green. What does this represent? Tell me. Tell me now. What does
Sir,
this represent?
Sheba, sir. No, sir, this is spa, sir.
Next time you are saying I'm going to make it as a wrong answer. இதுவரைக்கும் நீ wrong answer கொடுக்கல. So far so good. Okay. Spa. Spa எங்க இருக்கு? Where is spa? In which country?
That's not
Wait.
Sir, can I
In
say,
Italy,
sir?
sir.
In Italy.
Italy.
Okay. அப்ப இதான் spa அப்படின்னா இது என்னது?
Sir, can I say it, sir?
Ritvika. Would you like to correct?
Sir,
Or Ritvika, would you like to correct or would you like to go like the same thing that Prabhu Aditya mentioned?
Sir, I would like to correct, sir.
Beautiful. What is it?
Come on, Ritvika.
Sir, the green color is Sheba, sir.
Okay.
The ball is this spa, sir.
Go ahead. உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் டைம் இல்ல. சீக்கிரம் முடிங்க. Okay. One mistake registered. I gave a chance to Ritvika to correct and that was not a proper correction. So one mistake. Go. You still have a stroke. Come on. The rest of the team members. Come on. Jump in and try to do
Sir,
it. Ritik.
sir, isn't the purple cup the spa, sir?
That's beautiful answer. Okay. Then.
And then, sir, the ball, the spas where they meet, sir, and then the green ball on top of it, sir. I think that one is Sheba, sir.
Okay. This is Shiva. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And then sir, I'll jump in at different times, sir.
Yeah, you've done a great job. Nice. Okay, so far so good. Nitin Murugan fell back in track and he corrected the mistake. So, appreciating his contribution, I am taking that registry back. That is wrong answer registered பண்ணது it has been backward. Okay. Now, about technically speaking, no mistakes so far. Nitin, good job done.
Great job, Ritvika.
Thank you.
I know what you're trying to
Sir,
say.
sir, the black cup is
No,
sir, the black
sequence.
cup, sir.
Return sequence da, sequence. நீ black up எங்கேயோ இருக்கு, நீ எங்கேயோ போயிட்ட. சீக்வன்ஸுக்கு வா. இப்பதான் நீங்க இட்டாலி சொல்லிருக்கீங்க, மார்டினா சொல்லிருக்கீங்க, ஷீபா பிக்சருக்குள்ள கொண்டு வந்திருக்கீங்க. அவங்க அக்வைண்டன்ஸ் எப்படி என்ன ஏதுங்கிறதெல்லாம் நீங்க சொல்லவே இல்லை.
Sir, can I say, sir?
சொல்லு.
Sir, apple green cup, sir. And that represents Malaysian Sports Agency, sir.
Great job, now.
Champion effort.
And the dark green cup, sir. At the point of time, the police caught the car, and there was a a lot of diamonds in that car, sir. So that dark green cup represents the police caught the car and this bundle, sir.
What is this? You mentioned this correctly. Okay. And that was a champion effort. We all appreciate it. But what is this?
Sir, that is the dumb ball, and that is, and I think this zebra ball represents the thumbs, sir.
Yay.
Sir, is that a diamond, sir?
Ritan, சொல்லு. You have a correct answer for this?
Sir, the bag with diamonds, sir, in the car. Sir?
job, like
Sir.
great job.
Ritvika, go.
Sir, is it the zonal thing which Siva is called?
Absolutely.
Great job,
Nice, sir. Very good team effort. Prabhu Aditya, good job, good job. Very nice. வாங்க. Next, அடுத்து வாங்க. Come on, time இல்ல. There is a limit of time. உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் 3 minutes தான்
Sir,
இருக்கு.
Sir, the bag's content, sir.
Kiran, come on, Kiran. Get sharp. When does the bag come? We still have a galloping sequence and all that. And where are you? Why did you miss that? Come on, find out. How does the bag appear?
Come on, Kiran, come on.
When does the bag come in the sequence? Kiran, please understand, if you are really pulling this through, the other two teams will not get a grab of bonus round. So in that way, you are becoming more.
Sir, the
intelligent.
sir, yes, the fluorescent cup is the forest, sir.
Another mistake. No, wrong answer.
Sir, can I correct that, sir?
Correct it, Kiran, come on.
So the fluorescent cup is a notebook, sir, inside her bag.
No, why do you come to the elements? You still have some more sequences. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Adu wrong answer.
Wait, sir, so she walks into the forest, right, sir?
She walks into the.
So that's where we're at, sir. Right, sir?
No. You still have one more occurrence that has happened before she walks into the forest. That's in fact the turning point of this entire story.
Oh, yes, sir. So the cops figure out that she's a criminal instead, sir.
You got it, and find the representative object of it and tell us. I think in that way you are doing a great contribution for your team. Come on.
Wait, sir, is it? Wait, one sec, sir. If it comes back to memory,
I would better show you the objects because these two teams have got the benefit of seeing the objects. So I'll better show you the objects and maybe you can correct it. And this, you see, this one is done. This one is done. The blue and butterfly, that one is done.
okay, sir.
And I can take this one is also done. Maybe purple and this green cup, I can consider that one is also done. But there is a scope for the other teams to correct that. And this one is also done. Just now Balaji jumped in and he made a big correction. And now, a blue cup and happy images on the ball.
Sir,
Green cup and the zebra lines on the ball.
Sir, the green cup is the bag full of diamonds, sir.
Right.
Sir, that's that one, sir. That green cup, yes.
Okay. Green cup is bag full of diamonds. Ritvika, good job. Very good job.
The ball is the forest, sir.
Good. This is what I told you, Ritvika. This is the best in you. That is the memory. Good. Okay. So,
Thank you, sir.
Nitin, Kiran, Balaji, Ritan, Prabhu Aditya. What's this?
Sir, and sir, the blue card represents the truck, sir, and
Sir, the happy bird represents the gangsters Sir, and the black cup represents the white envelope, sir.
Correct.
The white dismissal letter, sir.
Taken. That's Ritan's job.
Sir,
Done.
the fluorescent cup represents the notepad inside her bag, sir.
Beautiful. Okay.
Sir, and the medium size big cup, I think, sir, it's the bag, sir.
Medium size.
Green cups.
This is the bag.
The
Okay.
medium size big cup, sir, bag.
Folks, we have only
Sir.
3 objects, 3 properties.
Sir,
Come on.
black color pistol, sir.
Wrong answer. Correct பண்ணது தப்பா சொல்லிட்டேன். So it again comes back.
Sir, black is the envelope, sir, that inside. White envelope, sir.
You still have 3 more. ஆனா கலர்ஸ் நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். நான் எடுத்து மட்டும் காமிக்கிறேன். 1.
Sir, red color hairband, sir.
What? சரி hair band hair
Hairband.
band அது என்னது
Sir, where up is the pistol, sir? The licensed revolver? In 1980s.
Yeah, the second one. Hold your passes, my heels. Hold your
last 40 seconds for you and you still have 3 more things to identify.
Come on, come
Sir, the violet color.
The orange cup represents the close line, sir.
That's right, correct.
So that in your bag, sir.
Balaji, you are awesome.
And the blue cup represents
Sir, hair.
Ritika, சொல்லு.
Sir, is it the hairband, sir?
Which one?
Sir, the blue color.
Time. என்னென்னலாம் நீங்க ரிமெம்பர் பண்றீங்களோ அது எல்லாத்துக்குமே உங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே மார்க் இருக்கு. Okay. Sorry, time up for Team Balaji, but it was a great effort.
Well done, everyone.
Still 2 more cups to be identified. Now,
Sir, three. Sir.
sit down. Thus, either of the team has a complete sequence. Okay. In that case, sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3, sequence 4 அப்படிங்க நான் மாத்தி கேட்பேன் அப்படி சொல்லுங்க. Then I will believe that both of you.
சரி நாங்க வெளிய போறோம். திருப்பி நாங்க வந்து அவங்க
Sir, again I will disconnect the audio.
I think you drop your picture.
Sir,
Nitin.
it is time for me, sir. I'm going to school.
Okay. Say bye to Nitin, everybody. இப்படி வாங்க அவங்க பாப்போம். Now,
Sir,
yes, Kiran.
sorry to interrupt, sir. I have to leave, sir.
Bye, Kiran.
All right, keep saying this one. Bye.
Bye, Kiran. Bye, sir. Bye, friends. Keep sharing strong.
So, Team Balaji, now listen. Now listen. Team Krishnan is going to try their complete sequence. Make sure everybody is performed.
Yes, the captain will start.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Sir, I'll disconnect my audio off, sir. I'll come
Okay.
back when my team
Yeah,
comes.
so you can come back when your team comes. All right. Okay.
So this is Martina from Italy, sir, and you are Miss Louding Garden, sir.
Fine. Take it. Take it.
Sir, she has. Sir, she has faced many problems in her life, sir. In relationship and many other, she is not get good friends at all, sir.
Right.
And that ball of cup will be celebration. Sir, this is hard being also representing that, sir. And he
Dakshin, silence.
and she will go to this ball, sir, that representing this country.
This is tiny.
Okay.
The star is the ball, sir, and that
Yes, sir. Yes.
cup, sir.
Yes.
It's correct. That's correct. What Vishnu Priya is saying is correct.
Sir, after the score, both the friends were very excited, sir. Then they said to go along friends.
Who's Shiva? Yes.
Oh, sorry, sir, and she needs her friend.
Even a mistake you know.
Sir, the friend, Martiana means
Artiana.
meets her friend Shiva, sir. Shiva is a very good sports player. She's champion zonal level, sir. So that represents the zonal level champion represents zonal level champion represents ball, sir. Malaysian Shiva from Malaysia, sir.
Sarah.
Malaysia Sports Academy.
நீங்க இப்படி நல்ல சத்தமா சொன்னீங்க அவனுக்கு அப்படியே பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க.
Agency.
Marina asked where did you learn these sports, sir?
Sir, can I learn this?
Sir,
Your teammate won.
she asked where did you learn sports? I also want to learn sports and I want to take. I also want to participate, sir. And she was saying that no, I have not learned India. I learned this is Malaysian Sports Agency and it's in Malaysia, sir.
Which one?
Sir, the she was at Malaysia Sports. Sir, sir, this is the diamonds and the smuggling stuff.
Sir, the sequences both are exceeded, sir, and they are planning to go.
Yeah, sir, they are going to
That they got stuck by the police, sir. They got to have a check.
Sir, and there was the smuggling
So
stuff.
what is the green cup represent?
The smuggling stuff, sir. And this is the jungle, sir. Where she the things that she has a criminal
Stop,
and she
stop.
yes, sir. So she wants to walk back and she goes to the jungle.
How many kilometers?
185 kilometers, sir. And the police officer asks how can you go, sir, and she
The
just
question
says,
don't email.
sir, then she says she says that I have to be away from her, so I'm walking back. So the police officer asks her, why are you walking back? So she says that.
Sir, now the bag, sir, green color cup is the bag, sir. And this is the revolver, sir. And this is the hand clip, sir. This is the
White and
this is
What is the pendant?
this is
Repeat that again.
Arpita-Mani.
this special order which from a previous company, sir. And this is the 19 meters cloth line, sir. And this is notepad.
There comes the truck, sir. Truck, sir. Inside we have the design and all.
Yeah,
And
so-
towards audience.
Eight. வாங்க கமெண்ட் சார்.
Keep silence, please.
சார்
Okay, ready, sir.
சார் இது வந்து உங்க பர்த்டே எப்போடா என்ன பர்த்டே
கேமரா கேமரா.
சார் பர்த்டே என்ன மார்ச்
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
சார்
Small blue will be staring from
Camera,
back.
camera, camera.
Let him start.
blue, small blue. Okay, sir, shall we show it? நீங்க this side.
So yeah, she has a class memory, sir.
Where is the
Sir.
bubble book?
Spa, sir. Spa.
She goes
Parlor.
So she just need to forget the past memory. So she went to spa over here. So it is something.
Sir, and one more thing, sir. She has some relishing plantation, sir. That is the keyword you mentioned, sir. And a lot of butterflies hovering around over the flowers, sir. So that's why the butterfly was being looking, sir.
And this bird will be Libya.
Libya, Shiva.
Shiva.
Libya country girl. Shiva, she's from Libya, sir.
Shiva from Malaysia.
There.
Correct.
Sir, zonal level sports champion, sir. She gets the coaching not from India but from Malaysian sports agency, sir. And then we go on a long drive, sir. And the fact that the long drive and the cops catch her with red-handed with the smuggled pieces of diamonds, sir. That the entire fact is represented by this green cup, sir.
This is for
Yes, sir. Actually, the police asks her what is she doing with her, sir. She says that she's just a friend, she's innocent and she wants to go away, sir. The police asks her, you came from 185 kilometers away from where you want to. So how are you going to go back? She just says that I don't want to be here and manage. And she ends up in the jungle, sir. And this is her bag, sir. And the contents are hairband clip, sir.
Revolver.
Licensed revolver, sir.
And that
Notepad, sir. And
Black, what is black?
white envelope dismissal order, sir.
past
This
company.
is
Fast company, sir.
1980s.
Notes line, sir.
Notes
Close
line.
censure. And this
Hariharan. All seen the way.
முடிஞ்சா சார் அவ்வளோ
In the air. Come on, Team Krishnan, you can get it.
ஏய் நாங்களே சொல்லிட்டோம்
ஏய் நாங்க சொல்றோம்
பாத்திரம் விழுந்துற போறேன்.
உங்களோட ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்றேன்
Two minutes, good job.
யார் ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்றாங்க முடியல யார்
ஏய் சித்தார்த்தே சொல்லிட்டாங்க 50 minutes சொல்லிட்டு
நான் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்
டேய் நாட் சொல்லிட்டேன்
இதை வந்து இது வந்து
இல்ல அவ்வளவுதான்
சரி டிஸ்கஷன்
ஏன்னா இத்தனை கேள்வி கேட்குறீங்க
வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க
So basically speaking, all the three teams have got 20,000 already. But there's going to be only one team that's going to get 25,000 complete full execution mark. Because this round will not be having any bonus, but 25,000 will be given to one team. Because the final round, the real final round of multi-phases within this we will complete is a questioning round. I'm going to ask questions, and if you are answering those questions, then you will be given 5,000.
Sir, from what do you ask questions?
Whatever you had been doing so.
மெமரி கேம் சார்
Yeah.
ரிலேட்டட் டு மெமரி கேம்.
Sir, another எடுத்துட்டீங்க sir.
ஆமா.
இப்ப நம்ம வந்து இப்ப எனக்கு
English.
okay, you both got we have got 20,000 for each team, sir. So now after this question answer round, sir. So this overall this activity is over, sir.
Yes. We are taking stock and we will announce the result.
டுடே
Tomorrow, once everybody comes as fresh, we will declare the winner and then we'll go for the winner. But this is not going to be continued tomorrow. This is the final. Common question for online team first of all, and this question is meant only for online team and is not forwarded to Team Krishna, the Team Hariharan. Online team, you will have to answer the buzzer, that is, I will ask a question and I will ring the bell like this, and I will ring the bell one more time like this after a certain amount of time. After the second bell, whatever answer you are going to say is not going to be taken. So, just 60 seconds is given. அதுக்கு நீங்கள் டீம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணீங்க அடிச்சிங்க வாட்சிங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க ஆனால் அந்த 60 செகண்ட்ல எனக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்தோம். Please understand, this is not going to this is not going to be forwarded to Balaji, Prabhu Aditya, Ritan, Kavin, Nitin. இருக்கீங்க போதும். Shall I start?
Sir, the time is
Yes, sir.
Number. Ready?
Sir.
I'm asking the question. Bell number 1, start. Bell number 2, stop. Okay? How many green cups and how many blue cups in this entire activity?
Anna, I think so there are totally 3 green cups now. And 2 blue cups. No, I think it's
You don't
only
want
1 blue cup. Balaji, what do you think now?
Green cups.
So can you say the answer now?
Yes.
So 3, yes, now say now.
Okay, then. Sir, there are 3 green cups sir, and 2 blue cups, sir.
Wrong answer. Half correct and half wrong. So I'll give you mark for the half correct and half wrong. Right. Now the next question goes to Team Krishnan, and it is not going to be forwarded to Team Hariharan and Team Balaji. And the question goes like this.
All the best.
Thank you.
Towards in the entire process of this story narration, where all the spots, numerals were involved. Numbers. Numerals in which are all the spots of the entire narration of the story. Where are all the spots, numerals were involved.
Sir, the kilometers are what is it?
Sir,
8:30.
2,
number of smuggled items, sir, precious stones.
Sir, number of items in a bag. Oh,
Number of items in the bag.
bag.
4. That's nice answer.
Anyone have any other
2 more.
guess?
There are 2 more.
2 more, sir. 2.
Sir, the years,
Butterflies, a set of butterflies in the garden.
sir, the years long